Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we as the group Reslah Group would like to present our group project of ISP250 for Sir NOORFAIZALFARID regarding the Reslah management system.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NAZIFA. This is our organization chat. Let me introduce you guys our team member. First of all, we have AHMAD YASIN as project manager. Next, we have AUDI NURDAYANA as system designer. Third, we have Muhammad UZAIR as documentations. Last is me, NAZIFA HUMAIRAH, as system analysis. Introduction. Developing a website for Reslah store is a strategic step toward enhance customer convenience, streamlining operation, and expanding the storage to the broader audience. The primary motivation behind creating a website is provides customer a seamless shopping experience. With an online platform, customer can browse product, check ability, and place order from the comfort of their homes, saving times and efforts. This not only improve customer satisfaction but also help the store stay competitive in increasing the digital marketplace.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AUDI NURDAYANA BINTI ZAKI here. I'm gonna continue to present to you about our objective in Reslah management system. Okay, for Reslah objective, what we do, customer can easily browse, select and purchase product from the store's inventory without leaving their homes, offering a convenient shopping experience. As for customer, next staff can easily manage order, monitor the status and update customer with order progress, providing faster and more efficient service. Next, all the product in our website is approved by Malaysian Ministry of Health (KKM). That this guarantees that customer can shop with confidence knowing they are purchasing safe and quality product.
This is ERD for our project, which is the store management system. The system is designed to efficiently manage customer order, product delivery, and staff responsibility between business environments. The ERD consists of several main entities, each the specific attribute and relationship. First, staff. This table stores information about staff members such as their name, email, phone, and address. Staff can also have roles such as administration with which the detail in the staff tables. Next, customer. The system tracks customer detail like name, email, and address to facilitate order placement. Third, product. The product ability for order are stored here with attribute like name, price, and category. The product category table categorizes the product. Order management. At the core of the system is order table. Customer place order for product and each order has details such as date, time, quantity, and payment status. The order are connected to payments. Each order when and how much has been paid. After that, delivery task is assigned a rider to handle delivery. After that, delivery workflow. The delivery task table link the staff and rider to specific delivery job. Each delivery task include detail like date and time and is assigned a specific rider using a rider table. Rider as responsible for completing deliveries is track the delivery table with status like complete or pending. Relationship between entity. There are clear relationship in the diagrams. Customer place order, which refer the specific order. Next, order are handled by staff and assigned to rider for delivery. Product are organized into category and their information is referenced in each order. Lastly, the ERD ensures the system well structured for managing staff, customer, order, payment, and delivery is efficient way. By implementing this design, the Reslah management system and the streamlines business process and enhance user experience.
Next, I will explain to you guys our contact diagram. Reslah store management system as a central hub for handling customer requests such as product section, order placements, and payment processing. Also, they're providing updates to customer about order status, managing staff functionalities such as account login, order management, and updating products detail. And lastly, they're generating sales and profit reports for staff. Next, staff use the system to register and log in to their account, manage their customer orders, assign delivery riders for tasks, update product detail, and access sale and profit report. I will explain to you guys about our diagram 0. First, I will explain about customer interaction. But register and login, customer register by providing email and password details and then log in to access the system. Customer can browse a product, customer can view the product catalog and request specific product details and product information will be provided. Place orders. They select products, input order details and proceed to checkout. The system processes the order and calculate the total prices. And lastly is payment and delivery status. After placing an order, customers make payments. The system processes these payments and provide updates on the order and delivery status. Let's see about staff interactions in our diagram 0. First, they can log in and manage order, which staff is logged in to manage customer orders. They track the order ID, quantity, and status. Next, they can assign a riders. Staff will assign delivery tasks to a rider and providing the task detail from the information. Next, they also can update the products. Staff maintains the product catalog by updating details like product categories and availability. And lastly is they can generate the reports. Sales and profit reports are generated based on processed orders and payment information. Okay, about entities and data flow, I will explain about order entities. Their track order details including customer ID, total product and total amount. Next is payment entity. Payment entity is manage payment status and information. Delivery status entity, they updates and communicates order delivery progress. And lastly is product entity, which they maintains product details categorized by the type.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yasin and welcome to the demo for the staff session of our system. And here we have here is Noor. He is a former staff of the Rasa store. He will be the representative of the tester for the owner for the system because the owner isn't available. So thank you, Mio, for coming here to represent the owner to test our system. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, when you go to the website, you will be greeted by a homepage where it will provide you information about our store. And also, as you can see, the design is for we try to aim for friendly userness so the customer can be more interested in our store. So as a staff, if you want to get access to the staff section of the system, you have to go to login. So as you can see, when you press the login from the homepage, it will redirect you to this page. But this page is not for the staff, but for the customer. So in order to log in as a staff, you have to go here. As you can see here, staff login. So we have to enter the correct email and password. So if you enter the wrong email, or password, that's test invalid. So we have to use so as you can see there, it will redirect you to back to this page. So you have to enter the correct password and email in order to get access to the system. As you can see here, if you enter the password and email the correct email and password, it will successfully log in you and redirect you to this page. As you can see here, this is the dashboard where you can see all the expenses and the monthly sales. So staff and owner can see how much sales they made from the past month, or also the expenses they use in the store. So if you want to like update your information, you can go to here and press the profile where it will redirect you to a form where you can update your information here. So let's test it out first. As you see here, let's change your name. Your Okay. And we update the Gmail. Let's put new. And this other information we leave it. Update account successfully. So when we press, it will redirect us to here. So and it will change automatically the information we updated. So next we will go to the product. This page is where you add or edit or delete products in the store. So let's test it out. So if you want to add, you can put name. For example, we put soda. And we put 3 ringgit example. So we put it on the beverage, and we try to find the picture. Oh, this is a good one. And we press add product. It will successfully added the product in the store. So when the customer log into the store, it will display the product that we added. So as you can see here. So if you want to delete a product, you can go here, or edit, you can go here. So edit here. So we can change it to 2 ringgit, for example. Update, update successfully, and will change, and the list will update the list, the price over here. It will also will change other information if we edit it. So let's put it on the suites, for example. Update successfully, and here you can see it will update here. So if you want to delete a product, you can go over here. But I do not recommend product because some product is associated with the customer, so it will cause an error. So delete. Are you sure to delete this product? As you can see, this is a prompt to avoid accidental deletion. So when a staff try to delete, it will prompt this, so you can avoid accidental deletion. So when you press OK, successfully. Okay. Now we can see that the product is already deleted. Now we move on to the add category. As you can see here, the add category is where you can add the category for the store. So you can put whatever name is it. Let's put wow, and we added the category. So as you can see here, it will update the category. It will add into the list. Now let's see if we can edit it. Oh, okay. We put okay. Update category. It will category successfully updated. So let's say we want to delete beverage. As you can see here, this is for to avoid accidental deletion. When we press OK, it will not delete the category because there are products associated with it. Because as you can see here, there are products like this one is associated with the beverage category, so we cannot delete that category. But we can delete wow because this is a new category, so it's not associated with any products in the store, so we can delete it. Category successfully deleted. So as you can see here, the list for the category is nowhere. It's already deleted from the database. Now we move on to the customer order. As you can see here, this is where you can view the customer order, where you can view the name, email, phone number, and order option that they put for their orders. So when you press here, it will show you, it will display all the products that the customer already ordered. And you can see here, this is the status, right? Status for the for each order in process and pending. You can update the status here, and you can put any like status. But here's the thing: when you put finish and delivered, it will not display in the orders that the customer ordered because it's already finished, so it doesn't need to display anymore. So let's test it out. Finish the status successfully. So when you view, it will be only only this one only. So let's go over here and try to process because it will not show any products that have finished or delivered status. So let's put here in process, update successfully, and we can view. We can view that, and the status is already updated here. Okay. Now, lastly, is delivery. This is where as you can see here, you know there's delivery option. So this is where we can assign a rider for the customer. So you can see here, you can assign for the customer. That's all for the system. Now, if you want to log out of the system, you can simply press the log out button here. Log out button here. Log out says log out button. Okay. So it will direct you to the home page. That's all. Thank you very much. To test our system. That's all for the demo.
So as you guys can see about the system you just test right now, I would like to ask you guys, what do you guys think about the system that you guys have been testing just now? Starting with you.
So from what I've seen from the interface, I think the interface is easy to understand and easy to access for the new user, and also for not just the new user but also for the user that have used the system. It's easy because there's some hint on where to click, and this button will direct you at which place. So it's basically like it's easy to use, and yeah, that's what I think about the interface. It's basically easy to access.
I see. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. So what about you?
Yeah, I think the program is good, especially when I order or add something to the cart. I can change like the quantity of the item. So, example, like if I order something 60 item, and then if I want to change the quantity to like 100, I can do it pretty easily because there's a button that's pretty clear, say that it would change the item quantity. I think it's very good for the first time user.
How about you, Afi?
I think the system is very efficient and well done because let's say I want to track back how many I spend in a program. The system provides me the option to track down, and I think it's good for all the users. That's all.
I see. So another question for me, the last question. Do you think that this type of design will attract the customer to use the system more rather than go to the offline store?
Oh yes, obviously, because just like I said earlier, it's easy to use, and if we compare it to offline store, physical store, you know, we need to go there. But when it comes to just online store, we could easily just buy the products inside the website, inside the web application itself. And because of the ease of use of the website, I think the customer would, of course, prefer the web application more than going to the physical store itself.
What about you, Adil?
Yeah, I think it's pretty easy for the customer. Obviously, they will use the online stuff more because, I mean, you could tell where the product is, you could add the product to the cart, and you could pay the product pretty easily. And there's also various of option to pay, like on a banking payment and also a cash payment. And yeah, I think that's pretty good.
For me, this one is better than offline shopping because this program is not too complicated to use by any kind of user, and it's easy to access to any order and the payment. That's all from me.
Okay. So thank you so much for giving you guys opinion on our system. That's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much.
In conclusion, the Resla management system successfully achieved its goals, providing a seamless platform for customer and staff to manage store activity efficiently, with features like login, product browsing, and online order placement. It enhances user convenience and seamless operation. Designed for accessibility, the system lay a strong foundation for future growth and success.